Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by Papa Bashiman.
Estibo, bona mfethu ngihappy namhlanje futhi I'm not happy futhi ne. You know why? Ngisuke endlini mina ngiexpect ukuthi vele namhlanje Sundowns ngoyishaya. Because my fans Sundowns kufuna asale akhohlwa lento ukuthi iSundowns mfethu ayisekho strong like njengasekuqaleni. Ibhola ihamba change. Kufana nabo Kaizer Chiefs nabo changeile yabona bafeed. Na iSundowns sekuchangeile na. Nyali Pirates le season le isizini yethu. Nyalo ngithathe 1 point la Loftus. Na bafika esigodini ngothatha 3 ngina 4 point mina ku Sundowns ngina 6 point Kaizer Chiefs this season. Na kanjani onke lama cup la khona la Mzansi othathwa yimi. Ufakazi ngithethe M108. Nyalo ngoyithatha iBlack Label. INedbank yami. Ngahlulwa yini league?
Ngeke.
Ngahlulwa yini Sithibo? Yethu league beSundowns ngumvilo nolonga khuluma la. Say history. Asakhulumi ngehistory manje. Sikhuluma ngento lenzeka manje. Sikhuphuka Tshepa Mremu manje alishaya goal. Sikhuluma ngomdansana bakora manje. Oloku ngitshela ngabo Dr. Khuma into yakudala. No. Sikhuluma ngentanyalo Sithibo. iPirates ivukile and iPirates uyoyithatha iBetway. Namhlanje ngovuka kusasekuseni nga 19 points. And amagame ngisemuva. Uyabona ukuthi ngechance kwini iBetway. Ibhaya Sithibo. Anyway Sithibo ngiyabonga mfethu. Into lengiyibona ngawo kuwe ukuthi ungenzela iSouth Africa bangazi. Sengifamous eSouth Africa because of you ndoda.
So
Tumile Sithibo everywhere ngihamba khona bathi Papa Bashimane because of you and because of Inzethe FM ngispeak up eMpumalanga bafethu Papa Bashimane kayi1 lo. Libhakanike lo lothatha iligi le season lena noma Sundowns afuna angafuni isizini sayithatha thina iligi this season. Ngenkani and soyithatha groundini not a training soyithatha groundini because siyawina egroundini siyakora ama goal.
Injalo.
Injalo.
Thank you Baba.
Thank you Sithibo.
Thank you man.